Welcome to Dittofi. My name is Ugo and I'm a solutions architect for Dittofi. Today I'm going to show you how to format the dates and time in the Dittofi builder. Now, let's say you have your date and time returning to the front end, or the user sees information like this and you want to change it to something that is much more user-friendly and user-readable. What we need to do is to create what you call a custom code or front-end template that receives the information from this repeating action item and then transforms the information into a more readable format. Now, in order to do this, you will need some knowledge of JavaScript, but we have ChatGPT to help us today. So all you need to do is you just copy this code, or you copy the ISO string, you head to ChatGPT, and then you type using JavaScript, can you convert the string or dates to this format? Now you can type the format that you want it to be converted to. So let's say you want something like 01, 02, 2024, 11, 30. And you click the enter button. So just wait for ChatGPT to be done. And then we can copy almost the entire code except the console log statement, because we don't want to console log, we want to return the output. And so what we do is we go back to the platform, then we click on the spanner icon, and then we click on templates, we click on front-end code, we click on add code, we can type format date time, click on OK. Then all we need to do is to paste the code in here. And now instead of passing this particular date time string, what you pass, or what you put there instead, is called a payload dot variable. Now the payload dot variable includes the information that you're going to pass to this custom code. So what's happening here is that we're going to save it in this variable called input date string, and then we're passing it to the function. And then what we need to do is to return the outputs of the function. So we can simply copy this and paste. All right. So this is not confusing at all. Remember, all you need to do is just to replace the string that ChatGPT generated as a sample date time string, replace with payload of variable, and then we return the output. So this last line, we return it. So we click the save button, then we head back to the front end code, we click on this, then we add a function, then we find the function that we just created, format date time, and then we simply build the code. So as you can see, we still have the non-readable, not user-friendly datetime showing here. So once the code is built, we'll see the results. All right, so we can head back to this page, then we refresh. And as you can see, what we have here is the more user-friendly, more human-readable datetime string. All right. So to recap, all we had to do was to create what we call a custom code. Now, custom codes are written in JavaScript, so you don't really, with Dittofi, you don't really need to know much about JavaScript. You just simply use an AI tool like ChatGPT and then you send a question to ChatGPT, and then all you need to do is copy the code, except like the console log statement, because we want to actually return the output to the front end. We want the front end to see the formatted date string. And so we paste it into, we create a new custom code, and then we paste information from ChatGPT here, and we need to replace the information that has been passed, or the sample datetime string that ChatGPT is using. We need to replace it with the information that we pass from the database or from the repeating action item. So we replace it with what we call payload of variable. This is where the information from the repeating action item is saved. And then we return the output. So the formatted date string we return. So we use the return statement so that it's going to be returned and it's going to replace what we have here. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. See you guys soon.